Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Najat Elisa binti Abdul Razak. My matric number is 2022-191-889.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Izzatul Atika binti Yusuf Izam. I will explain part A, question 2.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurin Arisha. My student ID is 2022130033. In this presentation, I will explain to you part B, question 1 and question 2.
I'm going to explain part A, question 1. The question goes, Ziad bought a car for 198,000 ringgits. He made a 10% down payment and financed the balance through a bank for 9 years. The interest rate charged was 4.5% compounded monthly. We need to calculate the monthly payment and the total interest charge. And also, if Ziad missed the first 4 monthly payments, how much should he pay on the 5th installment to keep his payments up to date? As it was given in the question, the cash payment is 198,000 ringgits. The down payment is 0.1 times 198,000 ringgits, and the number of payments are 108, and the interest rate charge is 0.045. First, we have to find the original balance. In order to find it, we have to use the B equals cash payments minus down payment formula. The equation would be 198,000 minus 19,800 equals to 178,200 ringgits. In other words, we can use the I equals BRT formula to find the interest charge. By multiplying 178,200 ringgit with 0.045 and 108 over 12, we can get the interest charge, which is 72,171 ringgit. Lastly, we can calculate the monthly payment by using the R equals B plus total interest over number of payments. By putting in 178,200 plus 72,171 over 108, you can get the total monthly payment, which is 2,318 ringgit 25 cents. Next is how much he should pay on the 5th installment to keep his payments up to date. So as the information given, the number of payment yet to be settled is 5. The number of installment repayment is 108. And as from the previous question, we got the monthly payment is 2,318 ringgit and 25 cents, and the interest charge is 72,171 ringgit. We can find the answer by using the rule of 78 in the Hire Purchase Act 1967 formula. By inserting all the information we already have, it will be 5 times 2,318 ringgit 25 cents in brackets minus 72,171 ringgit. In another bracket, it will be 5 times 6 over 108 times 109. By pressing the calculator, you will get 11,407 ringgit 33 cents as the amount of payments Ziad should pay on the 5th installment if he missed the first 4 monthly payments, and if he wants to keep his payments up to date.
Next, I will present this question. This question is related to Chapter 7, Trade Discount and Cash Discount. The net price of an item after trade discount of 15% and 8% was Rm 1,955. So firstly, we need to find the list price. We use formula net price equal to list price bracket 1 minus D1 bracket 1 minus D2. Net price is 1,955 equal to list price bracket 1 minus 0.15 bracket 1 minus 0.08, and the final answer is Rm 2,500. For the question B, we need to find single discount equivalent. D equal 1 minus bracket 1 minus 0.15 bracket 1 minus 0.08 equal to 1 minus 0.782. So the answer is 0.218. 0.218 we need to multiply by 100 and we get 21.8%. For the last question, we need to find the amount of cash discount received and the total amount. Trade discount. We need to use formula trade discount equal to list price multiplied by trade discount rate. List price is 2,500 multiplied by 0.218 and we get the answer Rm 545 ringgit. Next is cash discount. We use formula cash discount equal to net price multiplied by trade discount rate. Net price is 1,955. We need to multiply by 0.05 and we get the final answer, which is 97 and 75 ringgit. For the last is net payment. We use the formula which is list price minus trade discount minus cash discount. List price is 2,500 and trade discount is 545 minus 97 and 75. So we get the final answer which is RM 1,857 and 25 ringgit.
Part B, question 1. The R is 100 ringgit, T is 5 years. For the first 2 years, I is 10%, and for the rest of the period, the I is equal to 12%, and M equal to 4. To find the accumulated value, we need to use the formula S3 equal to R bracket 1 plus K over M close bracket to the power of MT minus 1 over K over M close bracket open bracket 1 plus K over M close bracket to the power of MT. So the R is 100. Just put the amount in the formula. And then we will get the answer 1,245 ringgit point 56 cents. Next, we use the S compound formula, which is S compound equal to P bracket 1 plus K over M close bracket to the power of MT, which is P equal to 1,245 ringgit point 56 cents open bracket 1 plus 0.12 over 4 close bracket to the power of 4 multiplied by 5. The answer that we will get is 2,249 ringgit point 62 cents. To find the interest, we need to use the formula I equal to S minus MTR. So the S is 2,249 ringgit point 62 cents minus pi bracket 4 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 100 close bracket. We will get the answer 249 ringgit point 62 cents. This price is RM 900 each. Total units of oven is 20. Transportation and insurance charges were RM 400. Trade discounts 10%, 6% and 2%. Credit terms 3% for 10 days, 1% for 25 days. So A, find the amount of trade discount. For this question, we need to use the trade discount rates formula, which is NP equals to LP, open bracket 1 minus D1, close bracket, open bracket 1 minus D2, close bracket, open bracket 1 minus D3, close bracket. So the LP is 18,000. For D1 is 0.1, D2 is 0.06 and D3 is 0.02. The answer that we should get is 14,923 ringgit point 34 cents. To find the amount of trade discount, which is TD, we need to use the formula, which is TD equal to LP minus NP, which is 18,000 minus 14,923 ringgit point 44 cents. We will get the answer 3,076 ringgit point 56 cents. B, determine the final dates for each cash discount rate. For 3/10, the answer is 23 March 2022. For 1/25, the answer is 7 April 2022. C, calculate the amount paid to settle the invoice if payment was made on 20 April 2022. So for this question, we need to use the formula LP, open bracket 1 minus D1, close bracket, open bracket 1 minus D2, close bracket, open bracket 1 minus D3, close bracket, open bracket 1 minus D4, close bracket plus OC. So the LP is 18,000, D1 is 0.1, D2 is 0.06, D3 is 0.02, and D4 is 0.01 because the payment was made on 20 April. So we need to refer from question B, which is the 3/10 will until 23 March only, and so we need to use the 1/25 because it is until 7 April, so we need to use the 1/25 for D4 plus OC, and the OC is 400. The answer that we will get is 15,174 ringgit and 21 cents.